This takes me back to where I was in Savannah. My mother had passed in February. This was March on her birthday. And I took this picture of the sunset because she loved the beach. I took this picture in her honor. And it says at the top, "Love you the most," which we said to each other all the time. We would argue. Love you the most. No, love you the most. No, love you the most. So, a friend of mine, a dear friend of mine, took this picture and put it on a cup for me and put "Love you the most," because she knew how much my mother meant to me and how much this picture, what's the word, represents my mother, because she loved the beach so much. So thank you, Elsie Deb, for making me this very memorable cup. I will always treasure it. Thank you. On a brighter note, she also made me this awesome Highland cow shirt. I love Highland cows. Elsie Deb is your go-to for all your shirt and cup needs and any other need as far as decoration goes. Thank you, Debbie.